Do you know that the government has changed the Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act, PECA? It's not just about journalists, it's about you. A WhatsApp message you sent, a photo posted on Facebook, a simple status, any news shared on Instagram or Twitter. In case anyone complains about it anywhere, the FIA now has the power. Without registering an FIR, without a warrant, the FIA can arrest you. You could be proven guilty later, but you will start suffering way before that. The sentence is up to 5 years in prison. This is a black law which the government wants to impose in the name of fake news on the people of Pakistan. Rather than protecting ordinary people against the harmful effects of social media such as blackmail, the government is trying to protect its officials and institutions against criticism, while there is no definition of fake news. This law is against the freedom of expression and your right to know. All journalists, human rights and lawyers' organizations have come together to openly oppose this ordinance. You too should join this voice, because imposed silence is the worst kind of oppression.